How to create a game pass on Roblox. Ladies and gentlemen, good day. Welcome to the channel. I hope everyone is well. We are going to create a pass on Roblox and I'm going to show you exactly how we're going to go about it. Let's jump straight in. So of course you want to jump into roblox.com and make sure that you are signed into your account. If not, you can go ahead up to the top right hand side, tap on sign in, put in your details, and we're there. The next thing you want to do is locate the toolbar right at the top of the page. Now from here, we're going to go ahead and we're going to look for the Create tab and we're going to click on that. Now, if you happen to come to a landing page over here, which is basically like a little bit of a promotion that's been run, you can go ahead and actually go into your URL and just type in create.roblox.com and you will actually then land on this page. Now, if it's the first time that you're logging in to the creation hub, then you will have that landing page. But if not, this will then be the page you land on. We're going to go over now to the left hand side and we are going to tap on creations. You are now in your creations and you can see over here that we have a Sam I Am 5655's place, and just for example's sake we are going to use this. However, if you would like to create a brand new experience, you can go ahead and create it right over here. We're going to go ahead now and click on the one that we'd like to use, and right over here you can see that there is a toolbar on the left hand side. We're going to go and navigate all the way down and you will see that underneath monetization there is something called passes. Now once you tap on passes, you can see over here that you can actually create a pass. So this is where we'll now create our game pass, and we're going to click on that, and over here you can upload an image, and it says if there's no image provided, a default image will be used. So I suggest that you do upload an image right over here. It also specifies what sort of format these images can be uploaded in, so that's JPEG, PNG, or BMP. So make sure that you're uploading in that appropriate format. You can now also go ahead and actually name your game pass. So we're just going to go ahead, give it a random name, and over here you want to give it a description, and you can just go ahead again and you can put in whatever description you would like to over here. And you can see now that as you go down, the create pass button has become available. Now we're going to go ahead, tap on create pass, and you can see now that your pass has been created. Now the thing is that if you want to actually put it up for sale, you can see over here it says off sale, and maybe we want to change this over here. We can do so by the following steps. Right from this page now, you're going to go ahead and you can see that it says off sale, and if we want to put it on sale, we want to make sure that it says on sale here. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to click on the actual item again, and you can see that it brings up those initial settings such as the name and the description. We're going to go over to the left hand side and there is a sales tab, and over here you can see that you can manage all your sales, such as the total sales and then the last 7-day sales. You can go ahead and toggle this item for sale to on, and over here you need to put it in your price in Robux. So you can go ahead and whatever your price is, you can put it in there, and then you can see that the creator earnings is 70% of that, and it actually gives you the amount that you will be earning. You can now go ahead and tap on save changes, and there we go. You now have an active game pass that will be for sale. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, drop us a like. If you have any comments, go ahead, drop it in the section below, and we will see you in another awesome video. Cheerio.